Proven tremendous health benefits. Control of glucose spikes. Controlling glucose spikes can bring tremendous health benefits. One sign of having too much glucose is experiencing cravings for sweets. When glucose levels are high, the body may crave sugary foods to help balance it out. Constant hunger is another indication, with individuals feeling the need to eat every 60 to 90 minutes. This can disrupt healthy eating patterns and lead to weight gain. Energy loss and fatigue are common symptoms of high glucose levels. When glucose spikes occur, the body struggles to regulate its energy levels, resulting in feelings of exhaustion. Hormonal issues can also arise, as high glucose levels can disrupt the balance of insulin and other hormones. Poor sleep is a possible consequence of excess glucose in the bloodstream. It can interfere with the body's natural sleep cycles, leading to insomnia or disrupted sleep patterns. Adequate sleep is crucial for overall well-being and can be negatively impacted by persistent glucose spikes. By managing glucose levels, individuals can avoid these detrimental effects. This can be accomplished through a balanced diet, regular exercise, and lifestyle changes. Maintaining stable glucose levels is essential for optimal health, preventing various health issues such as diabetes, obesity, and cardiovascular problems. In conclusion, being mindful of signs such as cravings for sweets, constant hunger, energy loss, hormonal issues, and poor sleep can help individuals recognize when their glucose levels are elevated. Taking steps to control and manage these spikes can lead to tremendous health benefits, providing a foundation for a healthier and more balanced life. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video informative and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, be sure to subscribe to my channel to stay updated with all my latest content. I have a variety of playlists covering a wide range of topics, so there's something for everyone.